Hello YouTube, this is Daddy and Carl again today, and today we are showing some more of Carl's alarm collection today.
This one I sold at the cupboard sale today.
Yeah, don't show them that one yet. Well, we'll just don't test them. This one is a Fire Angel co-808.
That's what it goes like.
Bought that for £1. And then this one, I can't remember the make of it again.
I bought some at Co-op. I think it's Co-op Excuses.
I think we bought this from the Co-op for about £5.
Yeah, I think it's Co-op Excuses.
But this is a photoelectric one, which is a higher spec one.
Co-op Excuses.
No, it's not Co-op. I think it's well anyway. That's how that one there goes.
Where I bought that one from?
Car route zone today.
Yeah, it goes like that. But I set both these up all at the same time.
Go on then.
When that one goes right.
And there we have it. So there is 2 more of Cole's alarms he has in the collection.
This one goes in my bedroom.
That is the one from his bedroom. We have got an alarm in every room in the house.
And even one in the hallway.
We've got we've got the expensive one in the hallway, which is coming up on a later video.
And I got another cheap one. It's this big too.
Yeah. So there you go. There's the alarm. So this one was £1 at the car boot sale today, which is a good find. It was grubby. I've just used a wet wipe on it, an antibacterial wipe, and it's come up quite nice. And that one was a £5 a couple of months back from the Co-op. So what do you say now?
Right, so now.
And please subscribe to Alarm Fan 8 if you want to see some more alarms.
Just need to pop
Bye.
this up.